Several technologies are rapidly emerging and will converge over time. These emerging technologies include artificial intelligence, quantum computing, blockchain, AR/VR, neuromorphic computing, nanotechnology, edge computing, smart eyeglasses, and smart contact lenses, IoT, and robotics. In this section, we will first explore a future where all these technologies have emerged and have converged to make new products, services, and smart cities. We will then break out each of these technologies to show them individually converging with artificial intelligence. Some pop culture movies and references are used to simplify and explain these concepts. The convergence of these emerging technologies heralds a future where the lines between physical, digital, and biological realms are blurred, creating a synergy that could revolutionize every aspect of our lives. Products and services. Imagine smart homes with IoT devices that not only communicate with each other but also with wearable tech like smart glasses, providing real-time updates on personal health or security. Quantum computing could process vast amounts of data from these devices, with AI providing the predictive models to automate and optimize your environment, from energy use to entertainment. In healthcare, nanotechnology could enable precise drug delivery systems, while AI monitors patient data in real time through wearable tech, and neuromorphic computing processes this data on edge devices for immediate responses, potentially predicting health issues before they occur. In manufacturing, robotics equipped with AI could work alongside humans wearing glasses that provide them with a virtual overlay of information, enhancing precision and efficiency. Blockchain could secure the data exchange among robots, ensuring a transparent and tamper-proof manufacturing process. Opportunities. This technological synergy could create smart cities where traffic, public services, and energy are optimized in real time. It could enable a new era of personalized education, where AR/VR tools provide immersive learning experiences tailored by AI to fit individual learning styles. The convergence also promises to democratize access to services. For instance, blockchain's transparency paired with AI's data analysis can provide equitable financial services, while smart wearables bring healthcare monitoring to remote regions. Concerns. However, with these advancements come significant concerns. The complexity of managing and integrating these technologies raises issues of interoperability, privacy, and security. AI's decision-making processes, when combined with other technologies, could become so complex that they're beyond human understanding, making accountability and transparency challenging. There's also the risk of increased inequality. As these advanced products and services become available, they may be accessible only to those who can afford them, widening the gap between the rich and the poor. Moreover, ethical considerations come to the fore. For instance, the use of AI in decision-making, when combined with pervasive data collection from IoT devices, raises questions about individual autonomy and consent. Pop culture reflections. In pop culture, we've seen glimpses of such a world. The Marvel Cinematic Universe's vision of Tony Stark's lab, where AI, holography, a form of AR, and advanced materials, an application of nanotechnology, work in concert, is not far from what's theoretically possible with the convergence of these technologies. In Minority Report, we see predictive policing, which combines AI, human-computer interaction, via gesture recognition, and advanced analytics, a convergence that could one day be realized through the integration of these emerging technologies. Conclusion. As we stand on the brink of this technological fusion, it is imperative to approach with cautious optimism. While the opportunities are vast, ensuring these technologies benefit society as a whole requires careful consideration of the ethical, privacy, and security implications. As these technologies mature and integrate, they have the potential to create a world that is more connected, efficient, and responsive to our needs than ever before.